Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm giving you another DIY that I did for my niece's baby shower. I had to keep this one separate because I didn't want, all the DIYs to just be lengthy. And you guys see that I got this hula hoop from Five and Below for just $2, and then I ended up just spray painting it. You would not have no idea this was a hula hoop until I actually told you it was a hula hoop. But I obviously thought this project was so fun to do. I didn't know what I really could call this project, but I ended up just researching it, and it's just a floral hula hoop wreath. Pretty much it. So obviously, guys, you see me here. I took all these florals and just, broke them apart. Not broke them apart. I don't know why I keep saying that word broke. I pulled them apart from the stems because I didn't really need the stems. I just needed the florals. And you guys see here, I ended up just pretty much just piecing everything together to see how everything works. This was a little bit difficult for me since it is like a circular type of hula hoop. Obviously, that's the only type of hula hoops is circular. But anyways, guys, it was kind of hard to, it's not a flat surface, it's a rounded surface. So sticking these florals on the hula hoop was a challenge, but I ended up getting it. I just had to do a lot of pressing down and holding all the florals in place in the greenery. But guys, I really actually fell in love with this project. Super proud of myself. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video and this DIY, and hopefully you guys end up doing this DIY as well. Honestly, I don't know how much I could price this out, but I would just say under $15, mainly because my florals, I already had most of them, and then the other ones I got was from Hobby Lobby, and it pretty much, I guess, those little leaves and then the plants, yeah, I would say it was under 15 bucks to do this hula hoop, which is amazing. Obviously, it could be cheaper if you end up going to like the dollar store and get the florals. It will be a lot cheaper, but I already had these florals and I wanted to still keep it all the same type of colors and florals, so I ended up buying some more, even though these florals were cheap. Not cheap, but like some of them were like $4 and under. But anyways, guys, you see here, that's the one part that I was so excited to do, and I was raving about it. Like, I was so proud of myself. So I ended up doing the other side with some more florals. And guys, that's pretty much it. I just pretty much just did a bunch of florals and just hot glued it together. It was super fun to do and super affordable, I believe, because I looked online to see how much this type of wreath would have cost, and it was like $60. And I was like, nobody got no money for no, I could do this by myself. So that's what I ended up doing. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, and I hope you guys end up doing this project as well, because this project could be used for like a nursery or like your baby girl's room. It's so simple. It doesn't just have to be for a baby shower. You could even do this for a wedding. It's like so simple, so pretty, and so fun. So that's how it looks so far. And then now let's get to, like, I didn't want to leave the hula hoop, the gray, not the gray, sorry guys, the gold parts all plain. So I used this greenery. I don't know exactly what these are called, but guys, it's probably easier if you got like a greenery that actually bend. This one didn't, so I was trying to like figure out what I could do to make it go around the hula hoop. So what I just did is just glued the leaves to the hula hoop together just for it to just stick around, and it ended up coming out pretty cool. I really wanted it to like wrap around the hula hoop. Guys, let's count how many times I say hula hoop. Anyways, I didn't wrap it around, sorry. I tried to wrap it around, but it just couldn't stay put. So I just ended up doing like wrapped it around like halfway in a way. Like this part I did try to go all the way around, but then I realized it wasn't gonna work. So I just did like the half wrap around, you know, the hoop. And that's just what I just did until the very end. So obviously that is pretty much it, guys. This is super easy. I know I keep repeating myself, but I'm really excited for this piece. It came out gorgeous. Like, it came out way better than I expected it. You guys could also put like a sign in the middle. However, I didn't have no more money, so I had to just stop right there. It still ended up really super cute. Really like it. And yeah, guys, I will show you how it looks, how I ended up like putting it on the, I'll show you guys at the end how it ended up looking. So guys, we're going towards the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little project that I did, and hopefully you guys end up doing one as well. So make sure to subscribe, hit that bell, like this video, and that's the finished product, guys. And this is how it looks, all hung up, and how gorgeous. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.